Welcome to Ayurveda Smart E-Classes. Charaka Samhita Sutrasthana. For any doubt, you can just go through this block. Chapter 19 Ashtodhariya Adhyaya Numerical Classification of Disease Part 2. Diseases of 5 types. Panchagulma Idi Vada Pitta Kaba Sannipada Shonidajaha. 5 types of gulma, abdominal lump or tumor are Vadaja, Pittaja, Kabaja, Sannipadaja and Rektaja. Panchapliha dosha idi gulmehi vyakhyataha. 5 types of pliha dosha are of same type as those of gulma. Panchakasa idi Vada, Pitta, Kaba, Kshada, Kshayaja. 5 types of kasa are Vadaja, Pittaja, Kabaja, Kshadaja and Kshayaja. Panchashwasa idi Maha, Urdhva, Chinna, Tamaga, Kshudra. 5 types of shwasa are Mahashwasa, Urdhva Shwasa, Chinna Shwasa, Tamaga Shwasa, and Shudra Shwasa. Panchahikka idi Mahadi Gambira, Vyabheda Kshudra Annajacha. 5 types of hikka are Mahadi Gambira, Vyabheda, Kshudra Annaja. Panchatrishna idi Vada Pitta, Amakshaya, Upasarga Miga. 5 types of Trishna are Vadaja, Pittaja, Amaja, Kshayaja, Upasargaja. Panchachardya idi Drishtyartha, Samyogaja, Vada, Pitta, Kaba, Sannibhada, Udrego, Tadascha. 5 types of Chardi are Vadaja, Pittaja, Kabaja, Sannibhadaja, Drishtartha, Samyokascha. Panchabhaktasya Anashanasthana idi Vada, Pitta, Kaba, Sannibhada, Dvesha. 5 types of Bhaktasya Anashana, Anorexia are Vadaja, Pittaja, Kabaja, Sannipadaja and Dveshaja. Panchashira Roga idi Purvodesham Abhisamasya Vada, Pitta, Kaba, Sannibhada, Krimija. 5 types of Shiro Roga are Vadaja, Pittaja, Kabaja, Sannipadaja and Krimija. Panchahridroga idi Shiro Rogehi Vyakhyada. So 5 variety of Hridroga same as disorder of head. That is Vadaja, Pittaja, Kabaja, Sannipadaja and Krimija. Pancha Panduroga idi Vada, Pitta, Kaba, Sannipada, Mrit Bhakshana Jaha. 5 types of Pandu are Vada, Pittaja, Kabaja, Sannipadaja, Mrit Bhakshanaja due to intake of clay. Pancha Unmada idi Vada, Pitta, Kaba, Sannibhada, Agandu Nimittaha. So 5 types of Unmada are Vadaja, Pittaja, Kabaja, Sannipadaja and Aganduja. So in brief, 5 types of disease are Gulma, Vadaja, Pittaja, Kabaja, Sannipadaja, Rektaja, Pliha dosha, Vadaja, Pittaja, Kabaja, Sannipadaja, Rektaja, Kasa, Vadaja, Pittaja, Kabaja, Kshadaja, Kshayaja, Shwasa, Maha, Urdhva, Chinna, Tamaga, Kshudra, Hikka, Mahdi, Gambira, Vyapada, Kshudra, Annaja, Trishna, Vadaja, Pittaja, Amaja, Kshayaja, Upasargaja, Chardi, Vadaja, Pittaja, Kabaja, Sannipadaja, Vishtartha Samyogaja. Bhaktasya Anashanasthanani. Vadaja Pittaja Kabaja Sannipadaja Dveshaja. Shiroroga and Hrudroga. Vadaja Pittaja Kabaja Sannipadaja Krimija. Panduroga. Vadaja Pittaja Kabaja Sannipadaja Mrit Bhakshanaja. Unmada Vadaja Pittaja Kabaja Sannipadaja and Aganduja. Diseases of 4 types. Chatvara Abhasmara idi Vada, Pitta, Kaba, Sannibhada Nimittaha. 4 types of Abhasmara are Vadaja, Pittaja, Kabaja and Sannibhadaja. Chatvara Akshirogaha, Chatvaraha Karnarogaha, Chatvaraha Pradishyayah, Chatvara Mugarogaha, Chatvara Grahani Doshaha, Chatvara Madas Chatvaro. 4 types of Akshiroga, 4 types of Karnaroga, 4 types of Pradishyaya, 4 types of Mugha Roga and 4 types of Grahani Roga, also 4 types of Madha Roga. Murchaya idi Abhasmarehi Vyakhyada. 4 types of Murcha are same as that of Abhasmara. That is Vadaja, Pittaja, Kabaja, Sannipadaja. Chatvaraha Shosha idi Sahasa, Sandharana, Kshaya, Vishama, Ashanaja. 4 varieties of Shosha are Sahasaja, Sandharanaja, Kshayaja and Vishama, Ashanaja. Chatvari Klaibhyan idi Bija Ubabhodad, Dvaja, Banga, Jarayaha, Shukrakshaya. 4 types of clibosterility are Bijobhagadaja, Dvajabangaja, Jaraja, Shukrakshaya. 4. Apasmara, Vadaja, Pittaja, Kabaja, Sanni, Padaja. Then Akshiroga, Karnaroga, Pradishaya, Mugharoga, Grahani Roga, and Mother Roga also 4 in number. Murcha, Vadaja, Pittaja, Kabaja, Sanni, Padaja. Shosha, Sahasaja, Sandharanaja, Kshayaja, Vishama, Ashanaja. Klaibya, Bijobhagada, Dvaja, Bangaja, Jaraja, and Shukra, Kshayaja. Diseases of 3 types. त्रयः शोधा इति वातपित्तश्लेष्मनिमित्ताः 3 types of shodas are Vadaja, Pittaja, Kabaja. 3 Kilasani इति रक्तताम्र शुक्लानि 3 types of kilasas are रक्तताम्र शुक्ला color. त्रिविधं लोहित पित्तम इति ऊर्ध्वभागम अधोभागम उभयभागम च 3 types of lohita pitta or rakta pitta are urdhvabhagam, adhobhagam and ubhayabhagam. So 3 types of disease: Shobha, Vadaja, Pittaja, Kabaja, Kilasa, Rakta, Tamra, Shukla, Rakta, Pitta, Urdhva Bhaga, Adho Bhaga and Ubhaya Bhaga. Diseases of 2 types. Dvau Jara Vidhi, Ushnabhiprayah, Shida Samutascha, Shida Abhiprayascha Ushna Samutaha. 2 types of Jvara are Ushnabhipraya Shida Samutta, Shidabhipraya Ushna Samutta. Dvau Vrana Vidhi Nijacha Aganduscha. So, 2 types of vrana are Nija and Aganducha. Dvavayama idi Bahya Abhyandarascha. 2 types of Ayama are Bahya and Abhyandara. Dve Grudrasya Vadi Vada Vada Kabacha. 2 types of Grudrasya are Vadiga and Vada Kabacha. Dve Kamale idi Koshtasraya Shakhasraya cha. 2 types of Kamala are Koshtasraya and Shakhasraya. Dvividam Amam idi Alasago Vishuchika cha. 2 types of Ama are Alasaka and Vishuchika. Dvividam Vada Rektam iti Gambira Muttanam cha. 2 types of Vada Rekta are Gambira and Uttana. Dvividhani Arshamsi iti Shushka Ardhrani cha. 2 types of Arsha are Shushka and Ardra. So 2 types are Jvara, Ushnabhipraya, Shidha Samutta, and Shidhabhipraya, Ushna Samutta, Vrana Nija Agandu, Ayama Bahya Abhyandara, Grudrasi Vadigan Vada Kabacha, Kamala Koshtasraya Shakhasraya, Ama Alasaga Vishuchiga, Vada Rekta Gambira Uttana, Arsha, Shushka and Ardra. Diseases of 1 type. Ega Urustamba Idi. Ama Tridosha Samutta. There is one Urustamba which is caused by Ama and all 3 dosha. Eka Sannyasa Idi. Tridoshatmago Manasharira Adhishtana. Sannyasa is also one type that is caused by all 3 dosha and is psychosomatic in nature. Ego Mahagada Idi. Adatva Abhiniveshaha. Mahagada is one and is due to Adatva Abhinivesha. One type of disease, Urustamba, Ama Tridosha Samutta, Sannyasa, Tridosha Atmaga, Manasharira Adhishtana, Mahagada, due to Adattvabhinivesha. Diseases of 20 types. Vimshadihi, Krimijadaya idi, Yuga Pipiligaschedi, Dvivida Bahirmalajaha. Keshada Lomada Loma Dvibaha, Saurasa Audumbara, Jandumadashedi, Shadshonidajaha. Andrada Udaraveshta, Hridayadaha Churavo Dharva Pushpaha, Saukandiga Mahagudashchedi, Sapta Kabajaha. Kageruga Mageruga Leliha, Sashulagaha Sausuradashchedi, Panchapurisha Jaha. 20 types of krimi include Yuga and Pipiliga on body surface and produced from external impurity, that is Dvivida Bahirmalaja. Shat Shonidaja, 6 parasite in Leda, Keshada Lomada, Loma Dviva Saurasa Audhumbaram Jendu Madara. Sapta Kabajaha, 7 parasites that live in Kaba specific body locations are Andrada Udaraveshta, Hridayada Churu, Dharba Pushpa, Saugandigan Mahakuda. Panchapurisha Jaha, 5 parasites originating from feces are Kakeruga, Makeruga, Leliha, Sashulagan, South Surada. So 20 types of Crimea, Dvivida Bahirmalaja, Yuga Pipilika, Shat Shoni the Jaha, Keshada Loma the Loma Dviba, Saurasa Udumbara Jentu Madara, Sapta Kaba Jaha, Andrada Udara Veshta Hradayada, Churu Dharba Pushpa, Saukandika Mahaguda, Pancha Purisha Jaha, Kakheruga Magheruga, Leliha Sashulaga, Sausurada. 20 types of prameha are Vimshadihi prameha idi Udagameha cha Ikshubhalika Rasamehascha Sandramehascha Sandra Prasada Mehascha Shukla Mehascha Shukra Mehascha Shida Mehascha Shanaihi Mehascha Sigada Mehascha Lala Mehashedi Dasha Sleshma Nimittaha Kshara Mehascha Kala Mehascha Nila Mehascha Loha Mehascha Manjishta Mehascha Harida Mehascha इति षट् पित्तनिमित्ताः वसामेहश्च मज्जामेहश्च हस्तिमेहश्च मधुमेहश्च इति चत्वारो वादनिमित्ताः इति विंशतिः प्रमेह. So 20 types of prameha are 10 diseases caused by Kaba, Udagameha, Ikshu, Valika, Rasameha, Sandrameha, Sandra Prasadameha, Shuklameha, Shukrameha, Shitameha, Shanehi Meha, Sigata Meha, Lala Meha. 6 types caused by Pitta, Sharameha, Kala Meha, Neelameha, Lohitameha, Manjishtameha, and Haridrameha. 4 types caused by Vada are Vasa, Majja, Hasti, and Madhu Meha. विंशतिः योनि व्यापद इति वादकी पैतृकी श्लैष्मिकी सानिपादिकी चेदि चतस्रदोषजाः दोषदोष्य संसर्गप्रकृतिनिर्देशौ शिष्टाः षोडश निर्दिश्यन्ते तद्यथा रक्तयोनिश्च अरजस्क च अचरण अतिचरण च प्राक्चरण च उपप्लुता च परिप्लुता च उदावर्तिनी च कर्णिनी च पुत्रग्नि च अन्तर्मुखी च सूचिमुखी च शुष्का च वामिनी च षण्डयोनिश्च महायोनिश्चेति विंशतिः योनिव्यापदौ भवन्ति केवलश्च अयमुद्देशो यदा उद्दिष्टम् अभिनिर्दिष्टो भवति. There are 20 types of yoni vyab. Of these, Vadika, Paitika, Kabaja and Sannipadaj are produced by Vada, Pitta, Kaba and a combination of all three dosha respectively. Remaining 16 are caused through various permutation and combination of dosha, dosha and other causative factors. These are Rekta Yoni, Arajaska, Acharana, Adicharana, Prakcharana, Ubapluda, Paripluda, Udhavartini, Karnini, Putrakni, Andarmugi, Sujimugi, Shushka, Vamini, Sandhya Yoni, Mahayoni. So, in brief, 20 types of Krimisa, Yuga, Pipilika, Keshada, Lomada, Loma, Dvipa, Saurasa, Udambara, Jandu, Madhara, Andrada, Udaraveshta, Hridayada, Churu, Darba, Pushpa, Saugandhiga, Mahaguda, Kakheruga, Magheruga, Leliha, Sashulaga, Sausurada. And Prameha Sar, Udakameda, Ikshuvalika, Rasameha, Sandrameha, Sandra Prasada Meha, Shuklameha, Shukrameha, Shida Meha, Shanehi Meha, Sikada Meha, Lala Meha, Kshara Meha, Kala Meha, Neela Meha, Lohita Meha, Manchishta Meha, Haridra Meha, Vasa, Majja, Hasti, and Madhu Meha. Yoni Vyabat, Vadiga, Paitiga, Kabaja, Sanni Padaja, Rekta Yoni, Arajaska, Acharana, Adicharana, Prakcharana, Upapluda, Paripluda, Udhavartini, Karnini, Putrakni, Andarmugi, Suji Mugi, Shushka Vamini, Sandhya Yoni, and Maha Yoni. Definite relation between dosha and disease. Sarva eva nisha vikarana anyatra. Vada pitta kabebhyo nirvartante. All the endogenous diseases occur invariably due to visheshan of vada pitta and kaba. Yadahi shagunihi sarvam. Divasam abhi paripadan swam chayam na adivartade. As a bird cannot infringe upon its own shadow even by flying throughout the day. Tadha swadhatu vaishamya nimittaha. Sarve vikara vada pitta kabha na adivartande. The same way, all the diseases are produced by disturbance in equilibrium dhatu and cannot occur without vishesha vada pitta and kapha. वादपित्तश्लेष्मणां पुनः स्थानं संस्थानप्रकृतिविशेषान् अभिसमीक्ष्य तदात्मकान् अपि च सर्वविकारां स्थानेव उपदिश्यन्ति बुद्धिमन्तः. By examining location, sign and symptom causing of visheshan of Vada, Pitta and Kapha in any condition, the intelligent physician diagnoses all diseases. Endogenous and exogenous disease. भवदश्च अत्र स्वधातु वैषम्य निमित्तजाः ये विकारसङ्घा बहवः शरीरे न ते पृथक् पित्तकफ अनिलेभ्य आगतवः तु एव ततो विनिष्टाः. Disturbance in equilibrium of dhatu result in number of diseases and these are only due to pitta, kapha and vata. That is, they cannot be produced without involvement of these three dosha. Exogenous disease, Aganthu Roga are exception to this. Progression of endogenous and exogenous diseases. Aganthu Ranvedi, Nijam Vikaram, Nijaha Tadha Agandhum Abhi Pravardaha. Tatra Anubandham Pragradim cha Samyak Nyatva, Tadaha Karma Samarabheda. Exogenous disease or Aganthu Roga may occur as secondary development after endogenous or Nija Roga, and similarly endogenous disease Nija Roga may further progress as exogenous disease or Aganthu Roga. One should carefully analyze primary causes and secondary complications before starting treatment. Summary. Tatra slogau Vimshagaschaiga Egaschaiva Trigascha Uktasa Trayaha Trayaha Dviga Acha Ashtau Chadugascha Dasha Dvadasha Panjagaha Chatvarascha Ashtagha Vargaha Shadkaudvo Saptakaha Trayaha Ashtodhriye Rokhanam Roga Adhyaye Pragashidaha. Summing up the contents, this chapter on numerical classification of disease with 8 types of abdominal disease lists down 3 diseases having 20 variant each, 3 diseases having 1 each, 8 diseases having 2 each, 10 diseases having 4 each, 12 diseases having 5 each, 4 diseases having 8 each, 2 diseases having 6 each, and 3 diseases having 7 variants each. So thank you for watching our video. Like our channel, Ayurveda Smart E-Classes. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates. Also, don't forget to post your doubts in the comment section for more clarification. All the links are given below the video. Thank you.